how to use Google Earth on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use Google Earth on your iPhone. So let's get started on this process. At first, you'll have to open App Store on your iPhone. Alright, after you open App Store, in the search field, you'll have to search for Google Earth. Alright, after you search it, you can easily find the application Google Earth, and after you come on this section, tap on Get. Okay, from your verify with your Apple ID and passcode. Alright, after you verify it, you'll be able to install that application on your iPhone. Okay, after you install the application, tap on Open. Okay, now from your tap on Get Started. And from your tap on the option Explore Earth, just at the bottom. Okay, so from this section, you can, as usual, zoom in the location on Google Earth, or you can also search for the any location on the search field at the top. From here, you can manually search for the cities or places like Newark or Mount Everest. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully searched Newark on Google Earth. I can easily access or view the 3D view of that location. So for that, you'll have to just use your two finger to zoom in. Alright, as you can see, I can manually see the 3D view of that Newark city. Okay, from here, tap on the option 3D. And from here, you can easily see the 3D view of that location. So as you can see, here is the 3D view of that location. And you can also pin the location on Google Earth. For that, head over to any location and tap and hold that. Alright, after you tap and hold that, you'll be able to pin that location on Google Earth, as this app is same like your Google Map. But here is the newest feature, like you can directly see the 3D view of any location on Google Earth. So this is the latest feature. Like after you tap on that 2D or 3D option, you'll be able to easily view a 2D or 3D view. So from this app, you can easily enjoy the 3D view of any location. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.